No offense taken. You know, I consider my weight to be
wasn't talking to Louis.
Okay, all right. Well, the Jeff Richard Show.
You might put a diagonal line on a page, and then all of a sudden that image looks three-dimensional. So when you study art and drawing, you begin to understand.
I still love that time. Do you remember that time when I was on Oprah and I discovered
he was a wonderful man.
Was? What do you mean was?
Well, he's not anymore, but in the beginning, he was.
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little.
Hey, nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
I amp up.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing to do, but that's kind of nice too, because otherwise there's too much to do.
Too much.
I've forgotten it already.
You ready?
Right. So we're on French Guiana, and we're just eating like sticks and berries and leaves, and you know.
No.
Boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.